guys, kama kuna, if you have an Esp32 web project na inakusumbua kidogo, you can just reach out. And also if you need a customized web based Esp32 project, so let me show you this one. This one is a customized, like you create your own web and connect it to Esp32 hardware without using the kuna zile platforms zenye ziko like kuna Node, kuna Firebase you can use. However, you can create your own for customization. So this one, for example, you can look at this one. So this is the Esp32 code. I'm using Arduino IDE. You can use there's so many other IDE that you can use to program the Esp32. So this one is still I'm still developing this one. As you can see, I have so many commented code. Once okay, to channel nayo. So I have this one. This is the project. I'm using XMPP local server. So this is the project folder. Then of course you can use any approach. You can even create all your files in the root folder, the project, but I just preferred using this modular approach where I separated all the related files and I put them in different folders, subfolders. Okay, so I have the modules. This is the dashboard. This is the index. This is the insert data. This one insert data into the database. This one is for logging out. This one is the main. This is for putting patient in the patient database. This is similar to this one. I'm just testing these files. Similar to this, receive data. This one for nurse, to register nurse, register patient. This for viewing patients, and this one for viewing nurses. And then of course this JavaScript file for refreshing. And then here I have the database definitions. These are just images. I want them to appear. Just these controlling devices. So this file, if you want to control your devices from remotely from your web, so you can have something like this. These controlling devices. It's just a PHP script to turn on and off the various devices. Okay, so we have this one. So for example, let me go to the index file to try to access my project from the web slash my project folder, in empty project. Then of course I go to modules, then index.php. So very fast. This is it. So you can see these are the images I just entered. So you come to the profile. If you log out, you go to it's now the home page. You can log in and you can go to the dashboard. You view the data here. So all this data is being sent here from the Esp32 hardware with the timestamp. You can see the last data sent here is 12:43, date November 5th, 12:43. Then this is just the status. Anyway, this was just a simulation. I was still developing this. Then about controlling devices, this where now you can turn on and off from the web. See, you can turn on. It was off. This one is on. You can turn it off from here. So all of them are off. Let's try to turn them on. Turn on. It's on. Turn on. Turn on. So on. So this is how you can easily okay. If you want to view nurses, these are nurses. So this for security purposes. Any nurse who is maybe doing who is assigned to the patient, something like that, will have to register and log in. These are patients. The date registered. Okay. For example, can register patient here. Put anything and see. Let's register this patient. And patient and assign the number. So let's view this patient. If as you can see. Number sign, it's 1:52. That's exactly the time here. And of course, what else? Register nurse. You know, this one can toggle, can log out. If somebody is new, can register here. But the registration for nurses only. Nurses only. Nurses can register. So that's all. If you want the source code, have various files. This is for the registering nurse, registering patient. I used PHP here. This is the dashboard. I have another version of this using Python. Save data. Of course, the files are so many. These are just the most important modules because we still have the devices is to turn on and off. That one right there. So if you have any issues with your Esp32 web project, you can always reach out. That's all.